An important question is being asked very frequently, that how to improve English listening and speaking skills super fast. Lots of learners ask the same question in a different way, like give us some tips to improve English in a jiffy. And every time our answer is same, that there is no magic trick to learning English. All you need to do is to be committed, give it ample time, and don't be frustrated if there are some initial failures. Learning and mastering a second language is always a big challenge if you're not residing in an English-speaking country or not surrounding yourself by English-speaking people. However, there are of course some tried and tested tips which you can follow in order to be more organized and committed while learning English. Let's go through. Hello, Tausif here from Grammar and Pronunciation for Non-Natives Online Learning. Welcome to this lesson on special request of some special viewers. Learning English is the name of enhancing your English skills. First of all, take the example of IELTS exam format in which you are evaluated on 4 basic English skills. 2 of them are your receptive skills, that is, listening and reading. The rest of 2 are your productive skills, that is, writing and speaking. But if you look at the format of more advanced Cambridge exams like FCE or CAE, you will find another skill, which is use of English. In this exam, you are tested on your knowledge base of grammar, vocabulary, and proper use of structures. This includes using general expressions, collocations, phrasal verbs, modal verbs, conditional sentences, and using compound structures. The conclusion is you have to work on all these 5 skills in order to be fluent in English language. Now let's move on some tips. Work on reading. Read a book, newspaper or journal that is just above your current level of English with a handy dictionary. This will help you to understand new vocabulary words as well. Spend at least 15 minutes a day and your skills will improve drastically. Work on listening and train your ears to understand. Listen to news, speeches, and watch documentaries in the areas you are familiar with. This activity will help improving listening and enhancing vocabulary at the same time. Please don't watch movies for learning purpose at all. Work on English grammar. Although less fun, learning grammar is an essential tool to know the rules of English language. Knowing English grammar inside and out is one of the top tips of learning English. Also attempt English grammar exercises to rectify your mistakes at the same time. You must learn phrasal verbs, modal verbs, conditional sentences, and collocations as a basic part of grammar set. Work on learning pronunciation. Learning pronunciation is not an advanced topic and it should be started from the very basic level. You must learn basic pronunciation, phonemic sounds, word stress, sentence intonation, and finally, connected speech. There are also a number of generalized tips. Some of the most common are: stop translating everything word to word in your native language and start thinking in English. You will soon find yourself thinking naturally. Follow these steps. Step 1. Think in small words. Step 2. Think in sentences. Step 3. Think in conversations and keep moving forward. Mirror practice. Speaking and practicing in front of a mirror not only trains yourself to stand in front of audience confidently, but also helps you to improve your presentation skills, which include your eye contact, body language, and overall gestures. It also discourages reliance over reading notes. Well, I believe that this short video will be quite useful for you, and if you implement all these steps, it will be a success guarantee, but with hard work and dedication. That's all for today. Thanks very much.